A Fetch Rewards redemption that stays in a pending status does not automatically mean there's a problem, because some rewards require additional processing before they can be completed. By the end of this, you'll know what causes pending redemptions, what you can check yourself, and when it's time to contact support. The first thing to do is verify that the redemption was submitted successfully. Open your rewards or redemption history, and confirm that the request appears with a pending status, instead of an error or failed transaction. If it's listed as pending, the request has usually been received and is waiting to be processed. Next, check whether your account has any outstanding verification requests. If Fetch Rewards needs to review your account or confirm certain information, a redemption may remain pending until that review is complete. Look for notifications inside the app, or messages sent to your registered email address. Another possibility is that the specific reward you are redeeming requires additional processing. Different reward types can follow different fulfillment processes, so don't assume every redemption is delivered the same way. Keep an eye on your email as well. Some rewards include confirmation messages or additional instructions after the redemption request is approved. If you don't see anything, check your spam or junk folder before assuming no message was sent. It's also a good idea to make sure your app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can sometimes display old account information or fail to refresh your redemption status correctly. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it. Avoid submitting multiple redemption requests for the same reward while one is already pending. Repeated requests won't speed up processing and may create confusion if the original request is still being reviewed. If the pending status continues for longer than expected and you haven't received any updates, contact Fetch Rewards support. Include your account email, the reward you redeemed, the date you submitted the request, and screenshots showing the pending status. Providing complete details helps the support team locate your redemption more quickly. Keep all communication in one support conversation instead of creating multiple tickets. That makes it easier for support to review your account history and respond with accurate information. To sum it up, confirm the redemption was submitted successfully. Check for account verification requests, update the app, avoid duplicate redemption attempts, and contact support if the pending status doesn't change. Next, save a screenshot of every redemption confirmation, so you'll have a record available if you ever need to follow up with support. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering receipt issues, missing points, and account recovery.